How to fix the first Descendant stuck on loading screen issue. Hello everyone, welcome back to this video where I'm going to show you how you can easily fix this issue. So in order to fix it, you first have to check your internet connection. So you need to ensure that your PS5 is connected to the internet. Use the wired connection for a more stable connection and then restart your router or your modem. You can even try turning off your PS5 completely and then unplug it from the power source for a few minutes before turning it back on. Then you need to make sure that the first Descendant is updated to the latest version, so you can even check for any update available and install them. You need to ensure that your PS5 system software is also up to date. In order to update it, you need to go to the settings, then go to system, then system software, then system software update and settings option, and there you need to update the system software. You can even clear the cache of PS5, so rebuilding the PS5 database can also help the issue to get resolved. So you need to turn off your PS5, then hold the power button until you hear a second beep to start it in safe mode. Then you need to connect your controller with a USB cable and select rebuild database. You can even check the server status, so sometimes the issues could be on the server side. So you can check if the game's servers are down or experiencing any issues. If none of the services or if none of the above steps work for you, then you can try uninstalling and reinstalling the Descendant game. If the issue still persists, then you can even contact to the game's customer support team or PlayStation support for further assistance. So these are some of the methods that you can use in order to fix the stuck on loading screen issue in the first Descendant game. I hope the video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.